In this tutorial, we see how to delete S3 bucket with the AWS CLI, the command line interface of AWS. To delete an empty bucket, you can use the subcommand rb, which means remove bucket, with the S3 URL of the bucket. For example, to delete baz data bucket, invoke AWS S3 rb S3//baz data. Please note that if you try to delete a non-empty bucket, you will get an error. The bucket must be completely empty before it can be deleted. In other words, you must delete all the versioned and unversioned objects in the bucket before you can delete it. You can delete all the objects in the bucket manually. To delete the unversioned objects, you can use the AWS S3rm subcommand. To delete the versioned objects, you can use the AWS S3 API delete object command with the -version ID option. If you have only unversioned objects in the bucket, you can use the force option to delete all the unversioned objects in the bucket before deleting the bucket itself. Notice that the deletion will fail if you have versioned objects. Use this option with caution, as this action cannot be undone. As we see, we successfully deleted the bucket with this option. Note that all objects in the bucket were deleted before the bucket was deleted.
For more tutorials about AWS and DevOps, subscribe to our channel.